all my students to put your microphone off and give a big applause to our winner, Emma. Emma, put the mic on.
Congratulations.
Ciao, grazie.
Congratulations.
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 Ciao, congratulations.
Congratulations, Emma. You take me on a way.
Emma, how are you
very
feeling?
Big one. But I want to see you. Where you did? Yeah, Emma is not here.
She is Emma, where are you? Tell him.
Emma, show your face now. You see the hiding face?
Emma. May I have my video small?
That's when you take pass. Brava.
Congrats.
Congratulations. Emma, can you say something in first? You tell in normal English to everybody. How do you feel now? And how was your journey in preparing yourself for your theory? And how do you feel after having passed the theory? That's the biggest obstacle.
I feel good. Like I didn't expect to pass, because before I went to so many schools, but because I didn't understand anything, so I was forced to drop until I met a sister here in Kunevo who told me that there is someone called Ambrish that is very good. So she gave me the number and I called Ambrish and he asked me, which is Otomba. Yes. So when I joined for the first week, it was very difficult, to understand the English and everything. I was like, oh, but this week I was along very well and thank God. So today I feel good. Like I didn't tell Ambrish that I was going for the exam because I didn't want anyone to pressure me. So I wanted to surprise him. Even the day I went to do the quiz, like on Sunday, I went to quiz on Monday. I sent my the last one I did. I sent it to Ambrish where I got a 0 error.
Yes.
So
I was
Ambrish was so happy. He was very hard. Bravo, Emma, bravo. But he never knew that I was going to, going to the exam the next day.
Exactly. I was very, very happy.
Yesterday, I came to him. I said, Ambrish, guess what? I just passed my exam. He was like, ah!
But she waited for her turn to answer for the quiz question. He said, no, she raised her hand. Something. I passed.
Yeah.
I was very, very happy.
It's very, like, even if you don't understand anything for now, just try to concentrate, But as time goes on, we understand. That is because it also happened to me. I didn't understand the first time I came. But don't give up. Read. Continue reading. Focus. When you are focused, if you know what you want, because I have kids. Every day, my children, I take them to school inside the code with no car. You know how it is in Italy. So, but I said this year, I will get my patente, whether the devil like it or not.
I have to give you a applause. You are a very strong woman and you never gave up. I appreciate that. And you put your heart into it. And obviously, nobody can take away the victory from you.
Yes, just 5 months. And I get for the Rosa. Mamma mia.
Exactly. No, because she was trying. Emma, you started learning in the last 2 months. You became very sharp. I remember, that's the last we actually began learning in those days. So it's good that Victoria is hearing and so they can be motivated because all this listening is difficult. But then when your brain is like that. So Emma, if your kids can be quiet for a while, can you tell them in Pidgin English to say something to motivate that they know? Emma.
Pidgin English. Who I have Pidgin English?
We did here now.
Yeah, there. Mama, you did here.
I feel grand, though. I feel grand.
On a normal day, and they wait for you. And they wait till you pass out. But seriously, everybody needs to focus on a normal day. You know what you want. In good, maybe they focus.
They ask me, say, man, I know say you want to do something, I'm not telling them. That's I don't know.
Okay.
Who be that?
Yes, you're not supposed to hear this matter that the record and I share, That one another talk for me, you and Emma.
Not be lie.
I agree to
you. Okay, no worry now. But if you do finish, you call me now.
No worry.
We'll talk that one.
All right. He'll call you. Emma, tell one sentence in your language, and that will motivate everybody who listens to you. And that Amrish Patente, it makes everybody possible to pass. That day,
Yes, Amrish Patente, they help everybody because even me where I no believe say I go fit pass this exam. Even when that time where I come, bros, you know, you see me now, I don't know anything.
I remember.
You remember, I don't know anything like every other person here. But today, just 5 months, I go write exam just once. I never write before. Only once where I go, I pass.
Wow.
It shock me. Me self, I shock when they tell me that I passed yesterday.
You're not supposed to shock. Now, you know the school when you did. Now, Ambridge school not be where you go come say you not go pass.
Well, like, no, you don't say, even myself, I don't believe in myself.
I can understand what you're saying, Amma.
I don't believe I go be passed, but this man really helped me. Well, like, he tried for me. I thank God, seriously.
Listen to the
I really
sound.
thank God.
Emma, we can see the sound of your children making the noise behind.
They are also
see?
they are rejoicing for. They are so happy sir, for her. They are rejoicing. They are going to stop walking with their legs now.
No, because despite of the noise, she took the class like that. All the kids bothering her all the time. But she never gave up. She focused, and she passed. Because it's not hard for women with children and all. It's easier for men. They're sitting there and just taking classes. But when women have to run the house and have the kids and still do that, it's a big job. And I appreciate that very much. And in Europe, without license, you have got no life. Emma knows that. And now she will first time know what it feels like to live in Europe and feel free to go wherever she wants, whenever she wants, snowfall, rain. She can take her children where they want. This is something that you begin to learn, experience the moment you got the license. Till then, you have half a life in Europe because you have to keep doing that. Anyway, I'll put the recording off. I hope this is inspiring enough for all of you.